who is the head of the committee of the IT, he says he will come, apart from donating hundreds of computers. He said he will come and start to train the people. All the people in the IT committee, they are going to volunteer themselves to help. We want Ogbomoso as Lautech. We want Ogbomoso to be the Silicon Valley of Nigeria, because we have a tech university. And so we want the place to create an enabling environment for tech companies to surround that university. Everything else. Let me tell you, an American company has just acquired a 500 million building in Ogbomoso. 500 million. I negotiated it for them. They want Ogbomoso to become a hub. By just one boy who introduced them that Lautech is here, there is the potential. The people, apart from investing buying that building, it used to be, do you people know Ogbomoso? You know that it's important money. Only we're going to go on, you know that it's important money. Because I want to find Ogbomoso was right. But where you are Kanoya, the building next to Kanoya, you understand, where they used to do something. That's the building they acquired for 500 million. And what we want to do is that all the people in the committee have pledged that they will help in training people. As many people who want to train, they will give up their time to training people who want to learn computer. I've gone to technical college, BOI. I went to Bank of Industry. Bank of Industry wants to partner with us so that we use technical college to train people in technical things, in people who want to be tailor, hairdressing and things like that. Vocational things. Oh yes, we're working on this thing on education, because education is the way of the future. We have to invest in education. And some of them, all I'm saying, we are not talking of the state, and I don't want you to see it as Nigeria. So if you look at it as Nigeria, we will not do anything. If you look at it as one town, so one town, ìlú wa la fẹ́ ṣe, and gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀wọ̀n ń bẹ̀ kò sí pé àwọn Ẹ̀gbá lélẹ̀, àwọn Ìjẹ̀bú lélẹ̀, Ìbàdàn lélẹ̀, gbogbo Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ lọ. And all we are trying to do is our town. We are not trying to do too many times, only one time. And we are only one people. That's all we are. So we are not asking money to look up. Ogbomoso is then attending to the law. And our children, we want to put a great legacy for them with education. Healthcare is another committee. The professor who is